In this video I've got one of those easy turn taps. I'm not sure how old this is, maybe 5 years or something. Could be a little older, but I don't think it's much different to that. And I've got this one for my elderly mother to use, since you don't really have to turn it much. And more recently I went to use the tap. She doesn't really use it anymore, so it may have been sitting, don't think it's been that long that she hasn't used it, but sitting for a little while, and there's hardly any pressure out of it, and it sounds like there's a lot of air or something coming out, or sloshing around in there. And I checked the pipe, everything was fine there, put just a normal tap on there, not a problem, plenty of pressure again. I knew that another outlet off the same pump line was running fine, so I thought it's either a blockage in the pipe, which is very unlikely, or this tap. Turns out it's a tap, so I'll just be interested to see what's actually wrong with it. So I'm going to have to unscrew this top bit. There's no sign of anything in there. I can sort of just about make out some sort of gate or whatever. These aren't like your normal screw down gate that just slides right down across the outlet. And you can only see like a drop down bit of brass from the back. So I'll see what's in there and whether I can work out why it actually doesn't work anymore. It seems to turn the same amount. It was only like a, what is it? A third of a turn, well, half a turn. You don't have to turn it halfway. Now maybe that's the problem. Maybe it's meant to go further than that. I thought it went a little bit more than that, so I guess we'll find out. Okay, I just put it in a vise, and a 12-inch shifter is big enough to undo it, but all we've undone is that bit. Does anything pull out? Do we have to unscrew this bit as well? Possibly. Oh, something's turning now, I think. Oh, here we go. Oh, I see, the other bit unscrews. Oh yeah, she's full of shite, I think. Would that block it? Oh, the water comes up here. What is in there? It's like a little tooth thing, but yeah, it definitely has some muck in it. Ah, yes, it does turn through that hole there. Why does it have a tooth thing? But anyway, that is probably the cause of our problem. It is off dam water, so quite a bit of muck in there. So let's see if, I'll just go and rinse it out, see if it fixes it. See, it looks like the water comes up. Yeah, that's the inlet, comes up underneath that bit, outlet through the hole, so it just comes up in one position. You turn it, and it comes up through that hole and out through those little teeth things. Turn it any other way and it just blocks it off, so quite a simple design. But yeah, they've actually got things there that will actually catch stuff coming through, and there's another bit stuck to me, which is not handy when you're actually using pump water or dam water. That gets lots of rubbish in it. Normal taps, the gate just opens up and it just flows right through. So I wonder what they actually do. Do they serve a purpose? Can I break them off and get rid of them? Or cut them off would probably be safer, but yeah, that's probably all it was. I'm betting that'll fix it now, because that was sort of half blocked, maybe even worse with the stuff that was down in their tap itself. So I think I'd kind of smeared it around when I undid it. Now does this have to sit a certain way? Technically you want the open bit facing the outlet, I guess, so, which of course this rotates around as you screw it in. Is there a marking on this thing somewhere? Well, I guess not really. Do we just mark that? Yeah, because that's going to go around with it for the time being. Not sure that's going to mark when it's wet, but there's something on there. I basically want, I guess this, but I don't want to turn the handle part, I want to turn the rest of it. And it doesn't, it's tightened up before it's got round. Can we, oh, that does actually rotate, that's right, I was worried that was going to turn the tap, so that's, yeah, that's got it pointing the right way. I reckon you've got to do that. I was a bit worried if I turn that, but that turns the other way, so that's okay. Yeah, I think with that line facing the front, at least it should flow straight out then. might put it back in the vise and use the shifter to tighten that fully, but that should fix it, I think. So it goes to show you can fix these things. Yeah, that seems to fix it. My spare tap can go back into the plumbing collection. I have to say, I think this one does put out more pressure than that other easy turn one, but this is just your standard thing that fully opens up a gate valve in there. So it's probably got a bigger hole out of it, especially seeing as that other one's got that plastic stuff in the way. But goes to show you can fix the things if you want to. It was just a bit of muck in there, so not a fault of the tap as such, though it's a bit of an odd design. Pretty sure all these taps just go straight through, so any debris in there just washes straight through, rather than collecting what look like dead insects and bits of aquatic plant and stuff. Probably little bits of grass and stuff that tend to be in a dam, especially when there's birds and everything else going through it and messing everything up. But at least that's all working again, so thanks for watching.